Are you looking for an exciting and educational way to engage your child's creativity and curiosity? Look no further than the Akurwas Club for Robotics and AI. Our club offers a comprehensive program where kids will dive into the fascinating world of robotics and artificial intelligence, learning how to design and build cars, drones, cartoons, animations, and more. By enrolling in Akurwas Club, your child will join a community of young enthusiasts who share a passion for technology and creativity. They'll have the opportunity to collaborate on exciting projects, participate in friendly competitions, and showcase their inventions. Our experienced instructors are dedicated to providing a supportive and fun learning environment. They will guide your child through each step of the process, ensuring they gain confidence in their abilities and a deeper understanding of the technological world around them. Some of our tutors are as young as 10 years, so your child will fit right in. Call us on 0719 719 03.